So essential oils. One of the best ways to control anxiety and depression is through essential oils. And the good news is our company has already opened their hearts and their minds and their arms for a product to be marketed through our platform, through our company. And this is our beautiful and amazing product, which is Miracare Body Essential Oil. Can you imagine ito, this is the product that a lot of our leaders have been waiting for. We wanted a consumable product, we have it now. We want a fast moving product, we have it now. This is the beauty, and what we did is we got the most powerful essential oils that money can buy and put it on one bottle. So let me just run through it lang very very fast. Sige po, next. So the good news is, ito yung pinaka-good news, our product is FDA approved and it's also halal approved. Wow, can you give some comments? Can you say wow? Can you say amazing? O, di ba? A lot of you are actually waiting for this. So we already secured it. It's already done. All of the paperworks are done. It's already landed in Prive. It's available already. So we're just waiting for the system to come out. Ilalagay na po yan sa system natin. So it's there. Now, what's inside of this Miracare? Sige po, skip. All right. So we actually put in two, not one, but two superfoods inside this Miracare, which is the kombucha and the matcha. So let me just run through you what is a kombucha. Sige po. Next. So kombucha is a very strong probiotic property that boosts skin's good bacteria to neutralize the bad bacteria that attacks our DNA. It serves as our skin protector. It detoxifies, improves skin elasticity. Ano yung sabihin nun, di ba? Yung mukha mo, di ba, kailangan mas mag-improve yung nababanat siya. It brightens the skin and it combats fine lines and wrinkles. How many of you would love to be younger again? Sige nga, please comment. All right, thank you so much. Next, I'd like to share to you the other superfood, which is the matcha. And a lot of you, you know this kasi most of you have been drinking matcha. So just for clarification, matcha is a green tea, okay? Green tea from Japan, another powerful antioxidant that provides that actually effectively promotes collagen production, stimulates cell regeneration, hydrates and nourishes the skin. So that's what it does. That's why these super powerful foods, we have infused them in our Miracare product. So what else is inside? Sige po, next. So we have these key ingredients: the coconut oil, the matcha, of course, the matcha, the kombucha. We have lavender, turmeric, lemongrass, eucalyptus, peppermint, malunggay, and rosemary. Now, guys, I'd like to emphasize on this. It doesn't mean if a product has all of this, it doesn't mean it will become useful or it will become effective. Kasi there's so many companies who actually came out with all of these mixtures. The problem is, if you don't know the right level and the right concoction of each ingredient, you will not get the full potential of the product. And that these are things that people don't understand. They just put in so many ingredients. But what we did with Miracare, we have actually calculated the perfect mixture. So all of the ingredients would come out, I would love to say perfectly, but would come out more effective and more efficient to our body. Is that good news?
Mm.
All right, thank you so much. Okay, so now sige po, moving forward. So let me just share to you the top 10 things that this amazing product that does to our body. Number one, it relieves our headache. Very powerful. So just a quick fix. You just put it, lagay niyo po sa head niyo, lagay niyo po yan sa batok niyo. Hindi ko alam kung ano English yung batok eh. So you just put it there. It's very effective. It relieves certain body pains in your body, prevents dandruff, drives away lice. Can you imagine? Even lice doesn't like this. It will literally go out of your head, escape your head if you have this. It helps soften the skin, release stress. It will help you release stress. It helps heal minor cuts. Kaya nga if you cook and you cut your hand, my suggestion, use this. It's really effective. It repairs hair damage. Obvious ba? Nagre-repair sa hair damage. Prevents mosquito bites, and of course, it prevents athlete's foot. Guys, I'm just sharing to you a little bit of what the product can do. There's so many things that the MiraCare can do, but these are like the top 10 things that you can test it on. And I'd like to also emphasize on this. Our products are all natural and we don't use camphor. Camphor is usually the ingredient that companies are using sa mga leading brands. And camphor is very, very, very bad for our health. That's why I suggest if you have this product, you use it, you smell it, and you even put it on your skin. Because usually the regular brands, when you put it, especially dito sa batok, it will burn your skin. Ours doesn't, because it's all natural. Good or very good?
Very
And
good.
soon I'm going to be coming out with a video, what we call a burn test. You will see that all of the leading brands, when it burns, it's dark, it's black. Sa atin po, it's white because it's all natural. Good or very good? All right, skip po. Now, very fast lang, I would like to emphasize on this. All right? Because right now, we have this amazing product, the MiraCare. Yes, skip po. Next. Okay. Now we have this product, amazing product. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be pairing it with another amazing product, which is the iTeracare. So this works hand in hand. The MiraCare and the iTeracare works hand in hand, guys. This is the amazing part. This is the game changer of our business right now. Sige boss, skip tayo. So, let me just share to you this dynamic duo, the MiraCare and the iTeracare. Discover the power of nature plus technology. Hear me out, guys. The MiraCare Supreme Relief Oil is a fusion of potent natural ingredients designed to provide ultimate relief and wellness. Paired with the revolutionary iTeracare device, this dynamic duo enhances your wellness journey by combining the natural healing properties with non-invasive cutting-edge technology. Sige po, skip. Now, ayan. So, just to because just to save on time, guys, these are the things that the MiraCare does per ingredient. That's why I'm telling you, we have created this. We have created the MiraCare because 100% it works. Ganun lang po kasimple. It really works. So these guys, these are the things that you need to know about our MiraCare. So if you want to get a screenshot nyo po. But I'd like to emphasize, lavender and peppermint oil is used for calming and soothing and invigorating your senses. Turmeric oil and malunggay seed is anti-inflammatory. Take note, yung mga namamaga sa katawan nyo, it is anti-inflammatory. The eucalyptus lemongrass relieves tension and supports respiratory wellness. That's why when you use the oil, you rub it on your hands and you smell it, it will relieve you 100%, especially sa respiratory side nyo. And lastly, the rosemary oil boosts circulation. It will boost your circulation, guys. This is the beauty with this. Now, skip. Sige po, moving forward. The MiraCare, of course, because we are pairing it with the iTeracare, I want you to read this. You know the work of the iTeracare already. But what we're going to be doing is this one. When you pair it, with the MiraCare, it amplifies the absorption and effectiveness of the natural ingredients, providing, listen to this, faster and longer lasting result. So what do we do when we use the product? My leaders, and we have like people who's using it in our organization, even the owners are using this. They actually put in the oil first, then they do the therapy. And after doing the therapy, they actually use the oil again to finish it up. And amazing results, guys. Ang dami na po natin testimonies with this. And soon, I'm going to be revealing each and every testimony soon. All right? Good news ba yun? Is that good news? Are you excited with this? Ayan. Sige po, next po. Next. So, to wrap it up, guys, let me just share to you the benefits of the Miracare and the Iteracare combination. Number one, enhances absorption. Like what I said, when you use the product, absorption is faster. Second, targeted relief. If there's like a certain area that you want to focus on, you put in the oil, then you put in the machine. It will give you faster results. Number three, holistic detoxification. What does this mean? It encourages your lymphatic drainage, and it also improves toxin elimination. That's why we actually have testimonies that literally it came out. Linalabas niya po. Fourth, cellular activation, because it promotes repair and rejuvenation of all over vitality. So ang ganda po nito for our cells. And lastly, stress reduction. Calming sense, because of the smell of our product, it soothes your senses. Plus with our iTeracare device, habang your senses are being soothed, are being sort of, the iTeracare naman actually works on the cells in your body. So this is the perfect combination for our 2025. Are you excited with this? Oh my God. I hope you guys are excited, because these will actually revolutionize the business of Prive International.